We're in the wee hours in the morning, swimming and fishing. Swimming fish. I dare you to take your DJI Osmo Pocket 3 through that. Yeah, I'm pretty daring indeed. Look at that bad boy go right through it. I'm not even perfect holding it. Oh man, what a beautiful shot indeed. Now I got no idea what that footage looks like. I'm gonna play it back. Is it in focus? Infinity? Because continuous focus is supposed to keep things in focus. But the camera's got a bokeh. Anything gets right here and anything back there out of focus. Oh man, you're just so overexposed again. I got fixed it during my recording. But what happened? You shut off. I didn't turn you off. I didn't even turn you on. You must have a 30-minute timer. Somebody must have hit it, took a bath. I'm getting out of here. Well, I shot some footage this morning, and I got over to the park, and I just went to the cog, scrolled down to format, and deleted it all. I started over, a fresh new day. So that was my shower. And the funny thing is, I got no DJI Mic 2 on at all. Nothing. If you look over here, you don't see any cables or anything. It's all DJI Osmo Pocket 3. Well, hold on. I got the bumps. I'm just happy I don't have the shakes. I'm finishing up my ride. Yes, my ride. And off I go to a wonderful day indeed. I got some notes to take care of, some things to do. Just not a day for it. Oh, the park lights are still on. Yeah. So this way I can at least see in the little darkness that we have. Yeah, man, some shots were like overexposed and some shots underexposed, and now I look like I just exposed during the video clip. That the way you're supposed to operate? Well, maybe I should go back to my Osmo Action 4. But I got the Action 3 being used, and I gotta go find my SDXC card. So I thought I had a whole bunch of them laying around. Time to go buy a new one. Speaking about buying a new one, oh man, I'm thinking, I'm pulling daisies and hope I don't run out of pedals soon, because it's enough to say no thanks. Fish, what are you buying? What do you want to get? I hear you. I just don't know yet. I said I was going to get an SDXC card and be nice to get something new, right? Is it me that if I go into playback and I hit confirm and I back out of it, that I'm stuck on confirm? It must be me. I must have saw something. Maybe I did something a little different. Time to put you away because it's getting very humid and sticky and I feel that moisture hitting the air. And on that note, I'm Fish and I catch you on many other vids to come.